Packing, traveling and campsite tips for campers. If you are getting tired of the hustle and bustle of city life, camping can be a truly fun and unique experience. However, it is important to keep in mind that there is a certain amount of danger involved and the need for acclimatization for the outdoors. This video will arm you with the advice you need for a great camping trip. Always find your shelter before it gets dark when you go camping. Once it grows black in the woods, you can have a hard time setting up your tent, preparing food, and getting adequate firewood. This is particularly true for those city dwellers that are not used to pitch black darkness. Avoid this situation by finding shelter before the moon is out. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the blood stream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Figure out your new gear before you go camping. The practice does really help. No one wants to get to the campground, only to find out that they don't know how to use something or set up their own tent. Practice with your new gear before you ever set foot on the campground. As you can see, there are many things involved in making a camping trip a successful experience. Even if you are a seasoned camper, you can still use some bits of advice to enhance your outdoor fun. Use what you have learned today, and you are sure to have a better camping trip tomorrow. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.